Forget everything you thought you knew about foldables. Huawei just dropped the Pura X Max, and it's not just another flip-style device. It's the world's first true wide folding masterpiece. We're talking a massive 7.7-inch landscape display that feels more like an A4 page in your pocket than a smartphone. I'm Teletech, and today we're finding out if this is the device that finally kills the traditional tablet. Let's dive in. First off, the hardware. This thing is sleek. Unfolded, it's just 5.2 millimeters thin. That 7.7-inch inner screen, it's a 120Hz LTPO OLED panel hitting 3000 nits of peak brightness. It's vibrant, it's sharp, and that wider aspect ratio changes everything for multitasking. And yes, it supports the new M Pen 3 Mini. Whether you're sketching, annotating, or just navigating, the precision here is next level. Under the hood, we've got the new Kirin 9030 Pro. Huawei is claiming a 25% jump in CPU and a massive 40% gain in GPU performance over the previous generation. In my testing, apps snap open instantly, and even heavy multitasking feels effortless on HarmonyOS 6.1. It's smooth, responsive, and specifically optimized to take advantage of that extra screen real estate. The cameras are where the Pura X Max truly separates itself. You're getting a triple camera setup led by a 50-megapixel sensor with that iconic physical variable aperture, f1.4 to f4.0. You get incredible depth control, plus a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens. Whether you're shooting street photography at night or zooming in on distant details, the color science and OIS performance here are among the best I've seen on a foldable. To power this beast, you've got a massive 5300 mAh battery paired with 66-watt wired and 50 watts wireless charging. Huawei has managed to pack all this power into a body that feels premium, durable, and genuinely practical. Is this the wide foldable we've all been waiting for? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'm Teletech, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.